My name's Matt Bruty. I'm the senior graphic designer and videographer here at Solo Press. In the spirit of practicing what we preach, I'm just putting together a calendar of photographs I've taken. The whole thing came about really when I started taking a walk during my break time. I started coming to this meadow quite a while ago, and every day, if I can, I try and get here. It's just so tranquil, but more importantly, it's absolutely teeming with wildlife, and I just feel like I should be here to witness it. I hate the thought of missing out on something happening, and most days I do see something new, like whether it's a new behaviour, a new species. It's just endlessly fascinating. It's late October now, but I've just seen this ladybird on this quite nice seed head. Might see if I can get a photo of that. Yeah, I've seen everything from owls, birds of prey, dragonflies, some pretty cool spiders, orchids, but yeah, it's just endless. I've just found this really cool toadstool. I'm going to try and get a photo of that. Never seen that before. When I was given the camera at Solo Press, I think one of my first thoughts was I could probably come and get some decent photos now over here than rather with my phone, and hopefully that's proved the case. Right, better get back to work. Putting the calendar together couldn't be much easier. We've got templates for every single calendar we do, and if you haven't got access to InDesign or Adobe, you can always just send us the 13 images for your calendar and we'll do the rest. Just pay special attention to the orientation of the pictures, study the tile images here. You can see, for example, the landscape calendar. The cover is landscape, but all the pages inside suit a portrait image. And for the calendar I'm doing, I'm going for the portrait calendar. The majority of my pictures are all landscape, so I've chosen this option, and the inside pages you can see a landscape there. Here's the final calendar, and I'm really pleased with it. Colours look great. And I'm going to start thinking about taking some pictures for next year's calendar.